Hello and welcome to Cannington, where today we are on Conway Road looking at this impressive 3-bedroom extended semi-detached family property, complete with a southwest facing garden and 2 bathrooms. We are just a 4-minute walk to the local primary school and, more impressively, a 5-minute walk to the local pub. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So if you're interested in viewing this fantastic family home, or if you want to have your property valued by the Property Centre, then please do get in touch.